Hey everyone, welcome back. In this full step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to create automations in ClickUp in 2026. Automations are one of the best ways to save time, reduce manual work, and keep your tasks moving smoothly. So yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once the page loads, sign into your ClickUp account using your email and password. If you use SSO, just choose your provider and log in. After signing in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your spaces, lists, and tasks are available. Now navigate to the list where you want to create an automation. ClickUp automations are created at the list level, so make sure you're in the correct list. At the top of the list, click on Automations, then choose Create Automation. You'll now see the Automation Builder. Start by selecting a trigger. A trigger is what starts the automation. For example, when a task status changes, when a task is assigned, when a due date arrives, or when a task is created, choose the trigger that matches your workflow. Yeah, this part is key. Next, choose an action. Actions are what ClickUp does automatically after the trigger happens. You can change a task status, assign it to someone, add a comment, set a priority, move it to another list, or even send an email or notification. You can add more than one action if needed. To make your automation smarter, add conditions. Conditions let you control when the automation runs. For example, only run it if the task is high priority, assigned to a specific person, or in a certain status. This helps avoid unnecessary automations firing all the time. Once everything is set, review your automation and turn it on. It will now run automatically in the background whenever the trigger conditions are met. It's a good idea to test it with a sample task to make sure it works exactly how you expect. If you don't want to build from scratch, ClickUp also offers automation templates. These are pre-built automations for common workflows like moving tasks when completed or assigning tasks automatically. Templates are great if you're just getting started. You can edit, pause, or delete automations anytime from the automations menu. As your workflow changes, keep updating your automations so everything stays efficient and organized. And that's it. That's how to create automations in ClickUp in 2026, step by step. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.